In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Notion. If you're like many of us, you have multiple tools and platforms you rely on every day to keep your projects on track. Clickup and Notion are two of the most popular project management and note-taking apps, respectively. Integrating them can streamline your workflow, prevent important details from slipping through the cracks, and save you time. I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be seamlessly connecting both platforms. To begin, open your Clickup account and make sure that you're logged in. Smoothly navigating this integration starts from this point. Now, what you'll want to do is identify the specific Clickup workspace and project you want to connect with Notion. Make a mental note of this, as it'll be important when setting up the connection later. Once you've got Clickup ready, head over to your Notion account in a separate tab or window. Again, have a clear idea of what workspace or page in Notion you're aiming to integrate with your Clickup tasks. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring that everything clicks together effectively. Now, let's talk about the actual integration method. There are several ways to connect these apps, but one of the most user-friendly methods is using a third-party automation platform like Zapier. By using Zapier, you can create what's called a Zap that links Clickup and Notion. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, pop over to their website and sign up. They offer various plans, including a free tier, so pick one that suits your needs. Once you're into Zapier, click on Create Zap. This is where the magic starts. Your first step is to set up Clickup as the trigger app. In simple terms, this means you'll instruct Zapier to watch Clickup for any specific event or change, like a new task being created. After selecting Clickup, the next screen will prompt you to select a specific trigger event. Choose an event that matches what you want to achieve, say, new task if you're aiming to sync tasks with Notion. Now, connect your Clickup account to Zapier. This involves authorizing Zapier to access your Clickup account, so keep an eye on any pop-up windows or email verifications. Once that's settled, you can test this step to ensure Zapier is correctly pulling data from Clickup. It's always a good idea to double-check work like this, ensuring everything is set up as expected. Next, we switch our attention to Notion. Set up Notion as the Action app. After choosing Notion, you'll need to decide what action should occur in Notion when the trigger occurs in Clickup. This might be creating a new page, adding content to an existing page, or any other interaction Zapier offers. Connect your Notion account just like you did with Clickup, and don't forget to test this step as well. With both apps connected, give your Zap a quick review. Make sure everything is precisely as you intended, and when you're ready, turn the Zap on. This triggers your new integration into action, ready to streamline your workflows and boost productivity. And there you have it. You now have a dynamic linkage between Clickup and Notion, enhancing your project management efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more useful content like this.